Emergency Alert System. This message has been requested by the United States government. An Airbus AN-781 was requested to fly from Tokyo to Dallas, but the plane never arrived. Authorities are investigating. We asked you to call 911. If you see the plane. Stay tuned for more information on Channel 5.
緊急警報。エアバス1の781便が行方不明となり、東京国際空港は行方不明の飛行機の捜索を行っており、現時点では追って通知があるまで全便が遅延している。ピリオド。
Gods, the dark skies have spoken.
It is time for Zeus and I to retire.
But where will you go?
Zeus! Sorry, Zeus!
Alert. All clear. The AN-781 has been found in Lisbon. Apparently the plane's engine broke and crashed in Lisbon. All 150 passengers survived, unfortunately for 2 flight attendees.